donkey.
Oh.
It's like crying because I was. We're at the Drippolator in Black Mountain.
What's going on over here?
Mommy, give me the salami.
Hey everybody.
This sit is really trying to do something.
It's like a bizarre amount of work for 7 views. Kristen's nails on fleek.
It's about the friends we made along the way.
We're at the, what is it called?
Western North Carolina Wild Nature Center.
The something. It's like 5 minutes from our apartment. We had no idea it existed.
Looks scary. Let's see what happens.
They're very calm.
He's cute. That's my picture.
We want to pet.
Give them a scratch.
A little itchy witch. Itchy attach.
Attach.
So, we're glad we did it.
Yeah, it was successful.
It's one of those zoos where you don't feel bad when you go to it.
Because they're like not like it's not a bear pacing 2 feet on concrete.
Like they were all just.
Does it need more room?
Yeah.
But have we seen a lot worse? Yeah.
But now we don't know what else to do.
Yeah, so we have no idea what else to do. My head automatically starts going to day drinking, but I just don't know if we're supposed to do that.
Live life on the edge.
I don't know.
Give yourself a hemorrhage.
Couldn't have
Hemorrhoid.
said it better myself. Let's get spicy black bean quesadilla. And if I need more food, I might get more food because it's me.
I'm trying to hold myself accountable and order and do a Mack Twinz video tonight, but it's probably not going to happen.
I am trying
To get drunk.
Yeah.
Blasted. We are tanning. Scary and sweaty. Tell her what I want.
Sweating out the toxins